You gotta do it again.
All right, I got you. So shouts out to Arailyus and Arailyus Kingdom. But so if you ever do your YouTube intro, your content, whatever, it'll be like ARAILYUSK.
I love that.
I think it's fire.
Hey y'all, it's Arailyus. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to episode 6 of Remixing My Closet. If this is your first time seeing one of these videos, I will have the playlist linked down below to all of these looks so you can catch these slaves, girl. So, without further ado, let's get into episode 6 look. And so, the caption for episode 6 is, I remix my clothes, but my face stays true. God's got me steady in all that I do. Okay, let's get into today's look. So, we actually switched it up a little bit. We changed the colors. So, okay. First of all, this sweater, I bought this sweater last year from Forever 21. It is a size medium, and I love that it's fitted, but it's oversized and it's cropped. It all at the same time. I love it. I wear it all the time. This skirt, sis, this skirt from Shein, right? This is a medium. A medium. When I tell you, it hugs the curves. It hugs the booty, right? But it's so loose in the waist. This is a medium, size 6. And you're going to see I had space in this skirt. But I love the cut, the detail, the little curves, the little flow. I absolutely love this skirt. Normally, I don't go for this color, but I actually like it. I think it's so cute. The boots, I think I forget where I bought these boots from. I have to think about it. The fedora came from Amazon, but I'm going to have to put it on the screen. I'm going to have to think about it. Where did I buy these boots from? Because I know I've been wearing them ever since I got them. Like, I wear these boots all the time. So, yeah, I'm going to have to remember where I got them from. But you will see how I remix this and do it different a little bit later. But I think this is so cute. Let me know down below in the comments what you think about this look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell me where you're watching from. And come back tomorrow for episode 7. Bye, guys.